Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will share how to turn any video into a black and white silhouette effect in CapCut PC. First, just open CapCut and then just import the video that you want to turn into a silhouette. And then next, just select the videos and then go to remove background, this one. And then in here, you can choose auto removal or you can also choose custom removal and then choose brush. And then just choose brush if you free user, or if you want to make it more faster, you can choose auto removal if you pro user. For example like this, the background is already removed, and then go to adjust, and then in here adjust, and then in here just lower the saturations until it all the way down to make the subject black and white like this. The color will gone like this, and then after that just go to curve, and then on the Luma graphic, just make the graph like this. Okay, like this until all the picture or the main objects turn the black like this. Your main subject becomes completely black like this. And then now you should have a clean black silhouette. And for the background, you can use any color that you want. For example, in here, I want to make it white. Go to canvas and then choose color and then just choose white like this, and you can see you have the silhouette like this. And okay, that's it. Now you have turned a normal video into a clean black and white silhouette effect in CapCut. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.